How to fix a frozen iPhone 14 Pro Max. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video, I'm going to simply be guiding you on how you can actually fix a frozen iPhone 14 Pro Max. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So basically, if you have a frozen iPhone 14 Pro Max, which means that even when you're trying to touch on it, it's not responding. Even when you're trying to power it off by pressing the power button over here, it's basically just not showing you up the power key or whatever else, as you can see. So what do you do in this case? In this case, you have to force restart the iPhone, and because only the power button isn't working, what we have to do is we have to actually force restart it by pressing the volume down buttons over here as well as the power buttons at the same time simultaneously for a couple of seconds, actually until you see the Apple logo pop up. So right over here, you can simply keep holding it until you see emergency services, and after that you can also go ahead and then simply slide to power off your iPhone and then just force restart it in that way. And that is it for this video on how you can fix a frozen iPhone 14 Pro Max. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.